Did you know that the average YouTube creator spends over 40 hours per week editing and producing video content? That's a staggering amount of time that could be spent on more creative and strategic aspects of their business. As AI technology continues to advance, one of the most exciting applications is AI video generation. By leveraging AI-powered tools, creators can now produce high-quality, engaging videos in a fraction of the time. In this tutorial, we'll show you exactly how to create a YouTube video with AI using a popular tool that's making waves in the industry. One of the pioneers in AI video generation is Lumen 5, a platform that uses AI to transform text into stunning videos. With Lumen 5, you can create a 3-minute video in under 10 minutes without any prior video editing experience. Let's dive in and explore how it works. Step 1. Sign up for Lumen 5. To get started, head over to lumen5.com